Hey, welcome back. Today I'm going to be installing a safety or a starter relay. It's located in here. I'll try to show you how to test your lap bar and your seat and your brake. They all have a safety switches that's in series electrical circuit. If all the conditions are right, especially a switch, if the button is depressed, then the switch is closed, then the circuit can be completed. And if all those are completed and they're working properly, then you can turn the key and start the engine. But I'll show you. We'll test this one with the meter and give you an idea how that works. If I can get it on. You want to take your meter and set it to continuity. If the circuit is complete, you will hear beeping noise. So we'll touch this one up here. If I throw this brake off, the circuit is open. It's complete. So you have that on the Scag Turf Tiger1. You have one for your brake, your lap bars, your seat, and I'll take this under that instrument panel. Has a relay in there. It's a starter relay, and I ordered mine off of Amazon for 20 bucks. It's a 7/16 socket. This Phillips screw right here this is your starter relay. And down under here there's a bolt help hold it on. And also, I forgot, on your PTO switch for to turn your blades on, it's in the circuit for the you can't turn a lawnmower with your PTO switch on, the safety feature. is a 3/8 wrench. Here is that old relay. And it shows a schematic of it normally off. Maybe you can see it better on the new one. But we will pull these tabs and disconnect that. And just simply reinstall it. Well, dropped the nut in the washer. It's a little aggravating because the throttle cable is right in the way. I could probably remove it, make it easier, but who wants to do that? Take a 3/8, snag it down. We shall reinstall this back to where it was. I like to hand start my bolts so that hopefully I ain't cross thread them when he's in impact. But if you cross thread them, that's free Loctite, ain't it? So now, okay, let's see if it's fixed it. Well, thank goodness that fixed it. If you was like me, idiot, while you was checking these things, you gotta make sure you gotta plug them back up. Or you'll have to get your meter out and chase down the problem for 10-20 minutes. The electricity, like the flow of water, you just follow it. Use your meter and you'll find out where your problem is. You can Google Scag Turf Tiger1 starter wire diagram and you'll get a good idea of what where it starts from battery, goes through your safety switches to your relay, start a relay in here, and then to the relay on your starter. And it'll show you a diagram where it goes through your ignition switch and your PTO button. And basically you'll end up here. And when you turn your key switch and all the conditions are correct, it'll end up putting voltage here, activating your coil, and that turns your starter over. Maybe I can find a good picture off of Google that I can put in this video. So, if there's anything I can explain better, I'm new at this, and please just bear with me. But it's harder to talk to yourself on camera and explain stuff that's in your head. You wouldn't think it'd be that difficult, but for some reason it is. But I appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I appreciate it. Thank you, man.